How to master canceling Amazon Subscribe and Save subscriptions for savings.
To begin, locate your name in the top right corner of the Amazon homepage and click to access your account settings. This is where you can manage your orders and subscriptions effectively. Scroll down to the Membership and Subscriptions section in your account settings. Locate and click on the Subscribe and Save option to view your active subscriptions. Within the Subscribe and Save section, find and click on the Subscriptions tab. Here, you can view all your current subscriptions and take necessary actions. Review your active subscriptions to identify the ones you want to cancel. Click on Edit next to the subscription you wish to manage and cancel. Once you've selected the subscription to cancel, click on Cancel Subscription to begin the cancellation process. Follow any additional prompts to confirm. To finalize the cancellation, click again on Cancel Subscription and follow the on-screen instructions. Ensure the cancellation is successful to stop future charges.
Thank you for watching. Create free, AI-powered how-to guides by visiting Kimavi.